some big breaking up is coming in, viewers. For the first time in history, the Indian Army is deputing a serving colonel to train the Jammu and Kashmir Police in special operations. Colonel Vikrant Prashar, a Shaurya Chakra awardee, has been appointed as SSP Training and Special Operations with the Jammu and Kashmir Police. His appointment follows a proposal from Jammu and Kashmir Police Director General R.R. Swain, and he will take charge as early as this evening. Let's go to Gursimran joining us live. All right, let's go to Gursimran. Gursimran, for the first time in history, a serving colonel in the Indian Army is going to be training the Jammu and Kashmir Police, and especially the training will be on special operations. If you could take our viewers through what is the latest coming in, go ahead. Gursimran.
This appointment has come late last night when the Jammu and Kashmir Home Department issued a notification in which the Colonel Vikrant Prashar, who hails from the Udhampur district of the Jammu, has been appointed as the SSP in the Jammu and Kashmir Police, and he will be looking after the training and the special operations. This is a new precedent that has been set by the outgoing DGP of the Jammu and Kashmir Police, Rashim Ranjan Swain, who in a letter proposal to the Home Department has said that Vikrant Prashar be appointed as the SSP. Now it has to be seen how things will pan out, because his area of domain is yet to be identified, whether as SSP operation he will be overlooking the entire Jammu and Kashmir, a post that is earlier held by the when it comes to the DGP rank. And also since the Jammu and Kashmir Police as well as the Indian Army, they have their own style of operations. While the Indian Army's operations are said to be sophisticated, the Jammu and Kashmir Police operations are said to be based on the grounds. So how the SOG actually operates on ground, it is entirely different from the operations that the Indian Army conducts. So the saga and the valor the Jammu and Kashmir Police holds 3.5 decades of the counterinsurgency that the Jammu and Kashmir Police has fought along with the Indian Army. That level has been set by the Jammu and Kashmir Police, and an officer coming to the Jammu and Kashmir Police has to rose to that level. But a new experiment has been done by the outgoing DGP of the Jammu and Kashmir Police. It has to be seen how successful this will be, because this is first of its kind. Earlier it was done in Manipur in 2023 when Colonel Nectar, who was retired from the Indian Army, was behind the surgical strikes in Myanmar. He was appointed as the SSP operations in Manipur. Yes.
Right. Hold on, because we're getting a reaction coming in from Mehbooba Mufti. Gursimran, coming back to you. Mehbooba Mufti has now commented on this latest development that we're talking about, raising concerns with the appointment of Colonel Vikrant Prashar as SSP in the Jammu and Kashmir Police. And she has put a post out. And in that post, she has questioned how Jammu and Kashmir is being treated differently, despite being told the region follows the same rules as the rest of the country. Mufti also asked under what special status this most unusual, she's calling, appointment was made by the local administration. I want to go back to you right now. Gursimran, Mehbooba Mufti has raised concerns, and she's saying this is the most unusual appointment being made. If you could take the viewers through this latest remark coming in from Mehbooba Mufti.
See, the opposition parties have gone all guns blazing at the J&K government over the appointment of the Army Colonel as the SSP in the Jammu and Kashmir Police. This decision that has been taken yesterday, it came as a surprise for everyone, even in the Jammu and Kashmir Police, as well as it was the decision of the outgoing DGP R.R. Swain, who recommended this on the 24th of September, and yesterday it was 27th of September when it got accepted by the Home Department, and now Colonel Prashar will be on a deputation of 2 years to the Jammu and Kashmir Police. The opposition political parties are taking a dig. Mehbooba is saying that a new unusual precedent is being set by the Jammu and Kashmir Police by appointing an Army Colonel as the SSP, while the National Conference is saying that the MHA no more trust the Jammu and Kashmir Police, and that's why they have brought in an army man. But what if the army fails too? So the opposition has gotten a chance to take a jibe at the central government, as well as the what the Jammu and Kashmir Police has done by appointing an Army Colonel as the SSP in the Jammu and Kashmir Police.
All right. Gursimran, we're getting a reaction from the NC. The NC has also commented on this. The NC is asking that has this appointment being made because the administration does not trust the local police? Let's have a look at what the NC is saying.